Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we will continue chapter 4 of history in the earliest city. In this video we will learn about Harappan towns in Gujarat. Now as we say, Gujarat was a major Harappan civilization, so there were two important centers. One was Dhalavira and other was Lothal. Dhalavira lies in Khaderbait in Rann of Kutch, where there was fresh water and fertile soil. Dhalavira was divided into three parts, and each part was surrounded with massive stone walls with entrance through the gateway. There was also a large open area in the settlement where public ceremonies were held that time. And you had a large letters which were engraved in a form of Harappan script which are still not deciphered. Then you have Lothal. Lothal lie near the Sabarmati river in Gujarat and it is close to the Gulf of Khambat. It was situated near the area where raw materials such as semi-precious stones were easily available. And again, Lothal was famous for dockyards. Beta, what are dockyards? Where the boat and ship came in from the sea and through the river channel. Goods were probably loaded and unloaded here. So, you had one of the famous dockyard present in Lothal. Lothal was also an important center for making objects out of stones, shells and metal. There was also a storehouse in the city where seal and ceilings were found in these storehouses. Most of the houses were made of stones. Buildings that were found here was probably a workshop for making beads. Now coming to the next topic, declining of civilization. Now what was the reason that Harappan civilization declined or vanished off? As if now we do not have a strong proof on any of the facts which could tell that actual led to the decline of the civilization. Some of the guesses that we do is that either the river in that area dried up, so there was no water and civilization vanished off. The second reason that scholars suggest that there was a deforestation. This could have happened because fuel was required for baking bricks and for smelting copper ores. Besides, grazing by a large herds of cattle, sheep and goat may have destroyed the green cover. The third aspect is about there was an excessive flood came in the Satluj and you have had all the rivering areas which were got devastated because the flood came in. But none of these reasons can explain the end of all these cities. Flooding or a river drying up would have had an effect in only some areas. It appears as if the rulers lost control. In any cases, the effect of the change are quite clear. Sites in Sindh and the West Punjab, present day Pakistan, were abandoned while many people moved into a newer, smaller settlement to the east and the south. Now, similar to the Harappan civilization, there was a Nile Valley civilization which flourished in Egypt. Most of the Egypt is a dry desert except for the land along the river Nile. Around 5000 years ago, king ruled over Egypt. These kings sent armies to distant land to get gold, silver, ivory, timber and precious stone. They also built huge tombs known as pyramids. When they died, the body of the kings were preserved and buried in these pyramids. These carefully preserved bodies are known as mummies. A large number of objects were also buried with them. These include food and drink, clothes, ornaments, utensils, music instruments, weapons, and animals. Sometimes even serving men and women were buried with the rulers. These are the most elaborated burial known in the world history. So here we have completed our chapter 4. If any queries there, please call me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.